Authentically Jamaican, a food service that is catering to all our things jerk and carrying out all things jerk straight to your front door. That's the focus of this week's edition of the Business Review. Here's Cody and Barrett.
Calling all jerk lovers, it's not just the classic Jamaican taste, it's also the convenience. Jerk to Yaad emerged in the heights of the COVID pandemic when co-founder Tsunami Karen was brainstorming about a service that would cater to the needs of people during the period.
Persons were being asked to stay at home under the quarantine and curfew conditions, and so my business partners and I had to brainstorm how we were going to save our business. We had to brainstorm how we were going to save our business, and seeing that persons were being asked to stay at home and we know that everybody has to eat, we decided to take food to persons at their homes.
She started with an ice cream shop, but when the delivery aspect of the business failed to pick up, it was back to the drawing board. During the onset of the pandemic, food services and supermarkets were the only businesses that remained open, and so choosing the latter was a no-brainer.
The first week that we started, we were like selling out our stock and having to increase constantly. So we saw the boom right away. We saw the impact right away and we saw the potential. So it was almost instantaneous.
Initially, it was just jerk chicken, but over time, the menu expanded.
We saw where we could offer more things, especially even for like vegetarians. We always have something on the menu for vegetarians because we want to be able to provide something for everyone. We like variety here at Jerk to Yaad. Every week you can find something different. We don't want it to be just the same thing because we understand that even though you may love jerk chicken, you don't want to necessarily eat it every day. So we do try intentionally to create a variety in our menu.
The constant changes in the curfew hours, however, affected profits.
There were some weeks where maybe profit was down by 20%. We've had it down as much as like 50%, depending on what's going on. There have been times when it doesn't look like really good in the numbers, but we continue because we believe in Jerk to Yaad. We believe in the business, we see how far it can go, and we're committed to that.
And although the profits are not steady monthly, Tsunami believes in the potential of the business.
Like I'm looking now at how we can get the jerk chicken into our local supermarkets as well as potentially exporting. So there's a jerk chicken product that's already cooked and in the frozen section, so you take it home and heat it up and then you have a jerk chicken meal that's ready to go. That's a part of my vision for expanding Jerk to Yaad.
With the Business Review, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.